In this video, we will demonstrate how to create booking templates for sea freight and how to make bookings using these templates. Utilizing booking templates will simplify the booking process for us. Booking templates are designed for those who want to prepare future bookings where the same information is entered in multiple times. When you're ready to make a booking, simply use the template and your booking will be pre-populated with all the necessary details. In the booking itself, you will have to select a travel number and dates that are specific to each shipment. To create a new booking template, we must navigate to Samskip's website. Keep in mind that you can adjust the language from the top right corner, but for this example, we will use English. To access the service web, click on the green tab located in the upper right corner of Samskip's homepage. If you don't have access to Samskip's service web, please reach out to Samskip's service desk for assistance. Once we have access, we proceed to login. Now we have entered the service web. We would like to remind you of the online chat down in the right corner if you have any questions. To create a new template, click on Sea Freight and then on Booking Templates. This is the overview page for the booking templates. After creating your first template, it will be displayed in this list, making it straightforward to book using that template. Keep in mind that a booking template is distinct from an actual booking. We must always finalize a shipment booking, but we will show how to do that later in the video. Next, we select Create a Template. For this demonstration, we will create a booking template for a container of furniture being shipped from Amsterdam to our warehouse in Holtavur. We will label our template as Afzell Amsterdam Holtavur. Following that, we must determine whether we are the shipper or the consignee. Given that we are the recipients of the shipment, we are the consignee, so no modification are necessary here. If you are the shipper, click here and all your information will be transferred to the shipper section. It's important to go over the provided information and make any necessary corrections. For instance, we notice that a contact is absent, so we will enter it here. Next, we select information about the shipper. We will navigate to the drop-down menu and pick the appropriate option. If the desired partner isn't available in the drop-down list, we have the option to add a new partner. Next, we will identify the container's starting point and final destination. If our shipper handles container transport to Samskip's port, we select self-delivery to Samskip's port. However, for our scenario, we want Samskip to collect it from the wholesaler's location, so we will opt for place of receipt. We need to give information about the address where Samskip should pick up the container, and that information is entered here. And here we can copy the shipper's information. In additional information, it's important to add information about the opening hours and other information that is needed to arrange the pickup. And next we click Save. Lastly, we select Rotterdam as a port of loading. Next, we determine the container's destination. Since we want it delivered to our warehouse in Reykjavik, we will pick Reykjavik as the port of discharge. Next, we will choose the Incoterms. Given that we are covering the entire shipping cost, we opt for Ex Works. If you have any questions, open the chat down in the right corner. And then we click Continue. Following that, we will input details about the cargo set for the shipment, starting with the type of shipment. The most frequently selected options are LCL and Afzell. LCL is selected when your cargo doesn't occupy a full container. Typically, the cargo is then placed on a pallet or in a box. However, since we have an entire container that our shipper in Amsterdam loads and we ourselves will unload, we opt for Afzell. We then select furniture and choose a 40 feet dry container. Following that, we specify the HS code for furniture. The last action required is to save the booking template. We have now created a booking template. If we also have consistent LCL shipments from the same wholesaler in Amsterdam, it's easy to duplicate the booking template here and simply opt for LCL instead of Afzell for the shipment type. Up next, we will initiate a shipment using the booking template by selecting Book. We have now entered the actual booking process. On the right, you will see the required details needed to complete the booking. We'll begin by inputting the transport request, specifying when Samskip should collect our shipment from Amsterdam. If you're uncertain about the exact time, you can simply choose the date and default the time to 0000. Samskip's team will aim to schedule transport for the given time, but we will reach out to the contact person to confirm timing and finalize arrangements. It's also advisable to include specific loading references for the pickup warehouse, like the gate number the driver should approach when collecting our container. Click Save to proceed. Next, we will pick the voyage that aligns with our transportation needs. Samskip will endeavor to ensure that your cargo is on that voyage. However, if the container can't be accommodated on the selected journey, we will contact you. Next, we specify the quantity of containers in our shipment and total gross weight of these containers. And finally, we just need to accept the terms and conditions and submit the booking. This is where you can review the booking details. Feel free to access this section anytime to monitor your booking status. Once the cargo has been assigned to a vessel, you can revisit this portal to schedule a delivery in Iceland. Now we have successfully crafted a booking template and completed a shipment using that template. Remember, if you have any questions, the online chat is readily available in the bottom right corner for assistance. Thank you and have a nice day.